Hi, welcome to Braid by CJ Beauty. So based on constant demand, I'll be showing you guys how to get a perfect zigzag braid. Okay, so today is your first time watching with us. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Leave a message for us. Okay, let's jump right into it. Okay, so let's assume in we are making our back. So we first of all start by sectioning our normal or back. Okay, we section our normal back sectioning. For that, I know all of us know how to make it no back. At the bottom side, you will always know that you have to cut a little bit down, because we all know that every hair at the back of the hair is smaller than the front of the hair. So when you're sectioning an all back braid, the down part will have to be small so that your other hair won't hang up. So that's it. A perfect all back should be curved. It's not straight. Like, see, all right, that's how we'll be sectioning it. The front have to be big while the back have to be small. All right, you have gotten your clean part for your all back braid. Now you start sectioning for the zigzag pattern. Okay, I'll be using my dummy hair. My kids have really spoiled the dummy hair because I've been using it to practice. So now we are done with section of our all back. Now to the zigzag section. Okay, this is very important. And also make sure you have your braiding gel. It is very important. I won't say that it's not necessary. It's necessary because you have to apply braiding gel. This helps your section not to join together. The braiding gel holds the sections for you. So for those people that say I can't apply it, I can't do this, I can't do that, well, if you can bear the frustration that comes with it, you don't need to. I don't need to apply this on this dummy hair, but just to show you guys what I mean. Okay, so we apply the braiding gel to hold our sectioning for us. That's actually the work for this braiding gel in this part, to hold the sections. So if you do not apply the braiding gel, your lines will join together and it's very, very frustrating. Like people like me, I don't like when I'm braiding hair, I'll one thing or the other, I will leave the hair I'm braiding and start resectioning. I don't like that. So I like, if I'm braiding, I braid all through. So that's why I will be applying the braiding gel to hold the sectioning for me. Okay, so we do this, we section like this till we reach to the side that that is smaller. So that's the back side, the downside of the head. Oh, I hope you can see what I'm doing. Please leave your comments for us. Don't be a silent viewer. Please help our page to grow. Like, comment, if you can, share. Thank you for your constant support. So all our subscribers that have been with us from day one, thank you for constantly supporting us. Thank you for constantly liking our posts. It gives us the boost to do more. Okay, so we still going. I'll just want the video to be like the normal speed. I'm not fast forwarding it, I'm not speeding it up. So cause just because it's only a zigzag I'll be tutoring today, so no matter what, the video won't be so long. Okay, so remember this place, this thing I'm doing here now is necessary. This placing by the side left and right is necessary. For the record, I don't do voice recording because my English, I cannot speak English. So you guys should manage me, manage my English, manage my voice. So I just wanted you to get the hang of it. Okay, so now we have reached to the smaller side. We don't need to section these ones, we don't need to section this side. All right, so this is how it will look like once you are done sectioning for your zigzag braiding. Now to the braiding parts. So I have to zoom it up so you can see what I'm doing. I hope everybody knows how to braid. I think so. Okay, so this is it. I really hate using dummy to braid, but because my kid won't keep her head one place for this kind of tutoring, for this kind of video, I had to use the dummy head for it. See what I'm doing? So in the next section, the next line, make sure you take a pinch of it, go a little bit straight before you start bending it. Or don't just start bending once you reach to the end of a line. Make sure you braid a little bit longer before you start curving it. It is very important for zigzag. Just turning here and picking to add is very important, because some people just braid long without picking like a little bit of hair in the next session. So this, if you not pick this hair, the effect will be that your under this side, under that hair, will be open, which is not good. So you have to pick a section of hair on the other line straight before you start bending, to avoid having some openings down the curves. My kids have really finished the hairs on this dummy. Okay, how do you see it? Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. In any part that you have a question, you can ask your question, or maybe you can screenshot it or something. I don't know, but I think I'm clear enough. I think the video is clear enough. I think it's zoomed enough. I think it's slow enough to understand. So assuming we do not use this braiding gel, you would have seen how frustrating it will be. But because of the braiding gel we used to demarcate it, that's why those your lines or the hair are still in place. Without that, everything will be joined together. Alright, so we are almost there. Remember, the results on normal human hair and dummy head is not the same. So it's always more perfect on normal human hair. So I just want to show the pattern, how to achieve it. So now we are done with the zigzag part. So for the remaining small part at the back, you just do it straight or back, straight or back. So that is it. This is it. This is how you get a perfect zigzag braid. It's quite simple and easy. There's nothing too complicated in it, just the cutting. Once you get the cutting, once you get sectioning, there's nothing. Here we have it, a zigzag braid. So comment with the next hairstyle you would want me to make a video for. So the highest mentioned style will be posted next week. Thank you for watching. Bye.